Dear students, today I am going to start a very important lesson, Indian judiciary. Before starting judiciary, I would like to explain the three branches of the government. We know this, you know this one. India is a democratic nation and we have one government. Each and every government having three branches, and I think all my words are very much familiar about this one. First one, first branch of the government is legislature. What do you mean by legislature? Law making body. As a example, we can say that parliament is a law making body. And in each and every state, we have one state government, state legislature. So state legislature will also make the law. So that is law making body. Second branch, that is known as executive. Executive means law implementing body, meaning legislative assembly will make law and that law will be implemented by executive. I think my words are getting this one, what is legislature and what is executive. After this one, third branch I would like to explain here, that is known as judiciary. Judiciary, what is the work of judiciary? To interpret the law. One more very interesting point is there I would like to mention here. And I would like to mention one French philosopher's name, Montesquieu. Montesquieu given one theory, separation of power theory. I think my words are familiar about the French Revolution. Monarchy was there and all power vested in the hand of king or queen, you know this one. So, in separation of power theory, Montesquieu stated that why king is very powerful? Because all three branches, assimilated in his hand, meaning king was legislative head, king was executive head, and king was judicial head. With reference to the Indian history, I would like to mention 2-3 examples. After that, all students will understand very clearly. When Akbar was there or when Ashoka was there, both were king, meaning all power they had, means they were legislature, they were executive and they were judiciary. But after quite long period of time, when modernism started, renaissance came to existence, experimentation came to existence, rational thinking came to existence. After that, scenario has been changed and today we are living in 21st century and this era is a democratic era. Nobody can appreciate monarchy and today we are working civil liberty, fundamental rights, democracy, means fundamental rights, civil liberty, individual liberty restored only in democratic country. So third branch today I'll explain you judiciary and I'm going to teach you Indian judiciary. Some terms are there, one by one I'll explain. Then after I'll start this lesson. We have single integrated judicial system. What do you mean by this? Single integrated judiciary means we have high court, we have lower court, we have supreme court. Supreme court is apex judicial body of the nation. And Supreme Court will sort out the dispute by exercising the same law. High Court will sort out the dispute by exercising the same law. Lower Court, District Court will sort out the dispute by exercising the law. Means separate law not existed in India. Means in Supreme Court same law, in High Court same law, and in lower court same law is there. And Supreme Court will control all functions of the judiciary system of India. I think my words are very much clear this one, ki what is single integrated judiciary. Next, one very important keyword is there, verdict. What do you mean by the verdict? The word verdict. Verdict means a decision. Why I am focusing this one? Because when you write your answer, so some keywords, specific keywords are there. Those keywords must be written. That's why I am focusing on the respective words verdict. Suppose you have written that Supreme Court given decision. That is, I am not telling that that is wrong. That is correct one. But I want a smart answer. So your answer will be there. Supreme Court or High Court issue the verdict. That is exactly correct word. That's why I am focusing this one. Second term is there, jurisdiction. The term jurisdiction, what do you mean by the term jurisdiction? When judiciary will sort out the dispute by exercising the law and enforce the law is known as jurisdiction. For example, I am history teacher. What is my responsibility? To provide you comprehensive knowledge. If anybody is a doctor, okay, so what is his duty? You know this one. Likewise, if any judge is there, so judge duty is there. Judge will exercise the law and impose the law. That is, and sort out the dispute. That is his duty. So jurisdiction, I think you are getting this one. Jurisdiction in one word we can say like this one. When judiciary will sort out the dispute by exercising the law and enforce the law is known as jurisdiction. I think this jurisdiction is clear. Next word I am going to teach you, original jurisdiction. What is original jurisdiction? Means what is original work of the Supreme Court, of the High Court, of the lower court? I think you know, original jurisdiction means when judiciary will sort out the dispute by exercising the law and impose the law at first sight. That is known as original jurisdiction. In this lesson, I will teach you original jurisdiction of High Court and original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. I will teach each and every point. So, if any doubt is there, you can send me your doubt and I will reply in upcoming video. Before explaining Indian judiciary, two more video I have shared. With reference to the both videos, one brief summary I would like to explain. In First World War and Second World War, many students having confusion. Ki sometimes they will face problem triple entity, triple alliance. So today, combined lecture will be done by me. After that, you will be very much comfortable. First World War started in 1914, and world had been divided in two hostile groups. Some tips I will tell you, that tips will be very important for my students. When world had been divided into hostile group, means two block. First group was known as triple alliance. Triple means three, alliance means union. Means three country, okay, made alliance. That is known as triple alliance. With reference to the First World War, I am telling. In triple alliance, how many countries are there? I think my students are getting three countries. First country was Austria-Hungary. Austria-Hungary is name of one country, not two country. I am talking about First World War. I am not talking today. I am not talking about today. I am talking about 1914, when World War broke out. First World War. Austria-Hungary is country number 1. Germany is country number 2, and Italy was country number 3. Okay, so that group is known as Triple Alliance. Second group, English group. First country England, second country France, and third country Russia. That alliance was known as Triple Entity. And many times this question asked. Entity words is English word, French word, Spanish word, whatever. Your answer will be there. It is French word. And what happened? What was the result? I think my words are knowing this one. Triple Entity defeated Triple Alliance. Means English group dominated German group. And after that, what happened? Treaty of Versailles was signed. And in Treaty of Versailles, I have taught you, Germany alone declared guilty for aggression, means only Germany was responsible. $33 billion Germany will pay as a compensation. Alsace-Lorraine, Saarland, and all colonies of Germany were seized. All these things I have discussed in previous video. When world will be divided into hostile group, then what will be happening? 2-3 keywords are there. You should remember this one. First one, fear will be there, apprehension will be there, international tension will be there, and all negative words are there. After 20 years, when Second World War broke out in 1939, after 20 years near about, again world had been divided into hostile group. I have told you just now, I'll give you tips. When world had been divided again into two group, then again what will be happening? Same keywords are there. What will be happening? Fear will be there, apprehension will be there, international tension will be there. Okay. During Second World War, again world had been divided into hostile group. First group was known as Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis, or other word axis power. Rome, Berlin, Tokyo. Rome is the capital of Italy. Berlin was the capital of Germany, and Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Means Axis power compiled, means combination of three countries: Japan, Germany, and Italy. Next group, Allied power. Three powerful countries. I am talking about more other countries were there, but I am talking about dominated one. First one USA, second one UK or England, and third one France. And what was the result? I think my words are very much understanding this one. Again Germany group was defeated by English group. Okay, so I think now nobody having any confusion. So today only this much, and I am going to conclude my lecture today. Next day I'll come with another video. In that video I'll discuss Indian judiciary, and all terms will be explained by me. Thank you.